What would actually happen if you fell into a black hole? Would you be crushed instantly, or would something much worse happen first? The truth is, you wouldn't die immediately. Instead, you would slowly experience some of the strangest and most extreme effects in the universe, where time changes, space bends, and your body literally stretches apart. The exact experience depends on the size of the black hole. A black hole is a place in space where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. It usually forms when a massive star dies and collapses under its own gravity. This collapse creates an extremely dense point at the center called a singularity. Around it is a boundary known as the event horizon, the point beyond which nothing can come back. Because no light escapes, black holes are invisible. We can only detect them by how they affect nearby stars and light. As you move closer to a black hole, its gravity starts to affect everything around you. From a distance, you wouldn't see the black hole directly because it doesn't emit light. Instead, you would notice stars and light bending around it due to its gravity. This effect is called gravitational lensing. As you get nearer, the pull becomes stronger. Your movement becomes harder to control, and even light around you starts to curve, making the environment look distorted and unnatural. Near a black hole, gravity doesn't just pull objects, it also affects time. To someone watching you from far away, your movements would appear slower and slower as you approach the black hole. Eventually, you would seem almost frozen at its edge. But from your own perspective, time would feel completely normal. You wouldn't notice anything unusual happening to your sense of time, even though outside observers see something very different. The event horizon is the boundary around a black hole. Once you cross this point, escape becomes impossible. Not even light can get out. That's why it's called the point of no return. Surprisingly, you wouldn't feel a sudden change at the exact moment you cross it. There's no wall, no impact, and no visible line. You would simply pass through it without realizing it, but from that moment on, everything leads inward. As you go deeper, the difference in gravity between different parts of your body becomes extreme. The side of your body closer to the black hole feels a much stronger pull than the side farther away. This difference stretches your body lengthwise and compresses it sideways. This process is called spaghettification. Over time, the stretching becomes so strong that it would tear your body apart. This stage would be fatal. Beyond this point, physics becomes uncertain. At the center lies the singularity, a point where density becomes extremely high and our current understanding of physics breaks down. Scientists are not sure what truly happens here. Some theories suggest matter is crushed into an infinitely small point, while others suggest more complex possibilities. Black holes aren't just deadly, they challenge everything we know about time, space, and reality. And the truth is, we still don't fully understand what happens inside them.